Hi guys, my name is Maryam Hampton, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I go from curly to straight using all Aveda products. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with clean hair. I've already used Aveda's Damage Remedy Restructuring Shampoo, the Damage Remedy Restructuring Conditioner, as well as the Damage Remedy Intensive Restructuring Treatment. So before I start with the blow drying process, I always make sure I use a heat protectant. Today I'm using Aveda's Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This leave-in treatment is specifically made to repair and protect hair from heat styling. This product contains macadamia oil, which helps smooth the hair surface, and soy, which helps nourish the hair. It also claims to help protect hair against breakage and thermal damage up to 450 degrees. After I smooth that all over my hair, I will go ahead and start with the blow drying process. And I'm going to be using the tension method to blow dry my hair. I usually use the comb attachment on my hair dryer to blow dry my hair, but I decided not to do that today because I wanted to have less manipulation. By doing this technique, it has made the blow drying process a lot faster. Moving on to flat ironing my hair. My favorite flat iron of all time is by Croc. This flat iron is amazing. It gets my hair really straight with one pass, and I will flat iron my hair on 390 degrees. While flat ironing my hair, I just take small sections of my hair and I will chase the flat iron with my Denman brush. Today I'm also going to be sharing with you how I trim my hair, and basically I'm just going to be dusting my ends. I really don't need a trim, but I like my hair to be kind of even. As you can see, my hair is like at a slant, and that is how I trim my ends. I basically trim my ends at a slant so that when all of my hair is pulled to the back, it is always going to be longer in the middle and shorter on the sides. And finally, to top everything off, I'm going to be using the Aveda Brilliance Universal Styling Cream. And this cream has jojoba oil in it. And I just add a small amount to give my hair a little bit of moisture and shine. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to Aveda's channel for more tutorials. And thank you so much to Aveda for allowing me to share my tips and tricks on how I achieve my curly to straight hair look. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.